Which of this picture is good to play the DV lottery? Hello, great minds. You're all welcome to my YouTube channel, World Digital Skilling Oneself. It's a citadel where we'll help eradicate digital illiteracy by utilizing whatsoever gadget that you have, and it permits you to earn money. So this time around, I'm working on the American DV lottery. I've noticed that many people have difficulties in manipulating their pictures and editing their pictures. So in my previous tutorial, I made mention how you can snap yourself in front of black background, brown background, or whatsoever background different from white, and you need to transform it. You need to transform the picture in front of a white background. I did that already. So if you have not seen that, I will encourage you to walk through that tutorial. It's going to greatly help you in case you're not having a white background. You just check below the descriptive part of this tutorial, you'll get the link there. So today I'm going to teach you, after you have taken the snapshot, yes, after you have taken the snapshot, how to resize your picture. Yes, so today that's what I'm going to show you. I'm going to teach you step by step how you personally, without the aid of any photographer or photo editor, how you personally, with the software that I'm going to present to you, how you can resize your picture. And if you're not having the application that I'm going to use, I'm going to give a link to an app which you can download, and it manipulates your pictures and it gives you the size, the weight, and the quality of your picture. So it does not matter if you are having a digital camera or a smartphone, so whatever gadget that you use, but make sure that the picture is visible. There should be no shadows. Yes, there should be no shadows. And I will encourage you to take your snapshots when the sunlight out, because when places are dark, you will not have the best of the quality. So today I'm going to take you step by step how you can manipulate, edit your pictures. And you know, the American lottery has specifications that we need to follow. There are dimensions that you need to follow, the resolution that as well you need to follow, the space maybe from the head to the mouth, or whatsoever dimensions that you need to follow. I'm going to walk you through step by step. But before I walk you through, I would like you to like this tutorial, keep a comment, and make sure you have subscribed to my YouTube channel. We have more than 140 premium tutorials already that can permit you live a better life, do things on your own. That's the world that we are into. So that's why our objective is to eradicate digital illiteracy. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share. So can we dive to the practical part of this tutorial? Okay, I'm observing you have not yet subscribed. Please subscribe. Oh, thank you. Oh, I've seen you subscribing. I want to give you a shot. Chakak. Okay, thank you. So I'm going to walk you through, and if you have any challenge, there will be a link in the descriptive part. You can get to my team and we will help you process your pictures and send it back to you, or we can as well help to process and replay for you and your family. Don't hesitate to play. You always never know how you will win. I have a lot of people that have played with me and they have been winning. There are some that we forced them, we lured them, and they played and they won.
Hello, I greet you all. It's World Digital. Mr. Nana here. He's one of the winners of the American TV lottery. So soon you'll be seeing his pictures, you'll be seeing his videos in America. But presently we are.
So you too can be the next. So don't miss this DV lottery, and don't forget to like, keep a comment, subscribe and share. It will help boost my YouTube channel so that people that are far, they can as well get this good news that I'm sharing to you. Don't keep the information to yourself. Help share. See you in the practical part of this tutorial.
Hello great minds, let's dive straight away to the practical part of this tutorial where I'm going to be teaching you how you can resize your picture with this good tool that I'm going to display to you. So but before we kickstart, I would like you to tell me which of this picture is good to play the DV lottery with. Is it A, B, C, D, E, F? I would like you to keep your comment in the comment section. If you succeed and you give me the correct answer, I'm going to acknowledge you in my next tutorial. I want you to give me a good picture that is best to play the American lottery with. Is it A, B, C, D, E, or F? So that's an assignment for you, and I would like you to keep your comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this tutorial. So let's dive straight away to the practical part of this exercise. So the application that we are going to use is Photoshop. Yes, so you can go online, you download Photoshop. So I'm using this Photoshop CS6. So I'll double click on this icon, I'll click yes, so I'll wait for it to load. I'm going to show you step by step how you can resize your picture and that of your siblings and your family, and you can as well resize pictures to make some money. That is the objective of World Digital Skilling Oneself, how you can utilize your gadget, your IT gadgets, laptops, smart phones, whatever thing that you have in order to make some monies. So you come to file, you come to open, and now you have to look for the picture that you want to resize. So this is the picture that I snapped already. So I will just double click on it, it loads. So this is the picture that I will have to resize. So at this level, you come up here because you need to give the dimensions that you want your picture to take. So from the prescription given to us, this is what we are supposed to do. It will be good that let me show you the heading of this document, so you should know that this is the DV lottery instructions. So you can read instructions for the 2026 Diversity Immigration Visa Program. So it is the document. I'm going to share it to you as well. If you need it, I will place a link. You can join me and I will share with you these instructions, or you can get to their website and you'll see it. So let's dive straight away to page 10 where you get the instructions about the picture. So here, your photo or digital images must be in color, in focus, size such that the head is between 1 inch and 138 inches, or 22 millimeters and 35 millimeters, or 50%. And so you can read that. I will send it to you. Take within the last 6 months to reflect your current appearance. Take in front of a plain white, which I've elaborated in my previous tutorial. So okay, now this is what interests us. You must upload your digital image as part of your entry. Your digital image must be in JPEG, that is .jpg file format, equal or less than 240 kilobytes. You need to take this seriously into consideration, because if your picture is more than 240 or 50, automatically you will be rejected, you will not be selected. So In a square aspect ratio, height must be equal to width, and it's going to be 600 by 600 pixels in dimension. Do you want to scan an existing photo in addition to the digital image requirements? Your existing photo must be 2 by 2 inches. Okay, scan at a resolution of 300 pixels by inch. So that's what we are going to put into practice. So let's get back into our application. So at this level now here, we are going to put these dimensions. You click above here, you put 2IN, and you as well come and place, you type 2IN. So you discover that this frame is 2 inch by 2 inch. So I will need to resize it such that I can position. And now you try to play with the image. Now you hold, you try to play with the image, and now we have some squares, so you try to position the face well in this frame, and now making sure that you allow a little bit of space at the top so you can have at least 1 inch. Make sure that you try to balance the object, that's this picture, the head, a little bit in the middle of those squares. And now you make sure that at the top, here at the top, there should be a little bit of space, like 1 inch. Yes, like this, 1 inch or 3/8 inch. Now when you have positioned well the face, making sure that the picture has a white background, you come above here, you click on this tick. See, so now it means that your picture is already having the specified dimensions that they have given us, 2 inch by 2 inch. And now you click on the tab image, you take image size. So at this level now here, you see the width is 2, the height is 2, and now the resolution is 300. So you take 300 as resolution. And now you see by default you have the width and height 600 by 600 pixels. Those are the constraints that they are given to us that we need to respect, and you click on OK. So this is your picture already. So you can as well come to enhance the picture. You click on image, you take adjust, you can work on brightness, so you can increase the brightness of the picture if you so desire. So you can increase, and you work a little bit on the contrast if you so desire. So and you click on OK. So this is one of the final and then the last thing that you need to do, the size. So you click on file, you take save as. So at this level now, you can give a name. You can give a name to the picture that you have resized. So I'll just type Wall Digital. That's my brand name. Don't forget to like, keep a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not yet subscribed. I'm going to be uploading more premium tutorials, and I'm going to be teaching you as well how you can use an app on your smartphone. If you cannot use this tool, I'm going to teach you how you can use an app on your smartphone and edit and resize your picture. So at this level now, you click on, so you can decide where you want your resized picture to land. Okay, and now you click on save. So at this level now, you decide, see, this is the size 203. So 203 is less than 240 kilobytes. So you can reduce or you allow it at 203. So now this is 112. So you can allow it at the 203, which is below the 240, because if your picture size is more than 240 kilobytes, automatically you will be rejected. So and you click on okay. So your picture already has been saved, so you can verify it in your folder. So for example, this is a picture. I'll come and verify. So this is the picture that I resized. So if you look, this is the initial picture that I snapped with his background. So let me show you. So this is the white background that I snapped. So I resized it into this. So this is what I am going to play my DV lottery with. So if you can observe, you'll see it has 600 by 600. So this is the picture that I'm going to play with. So if you have any difficulty, you can reach me. There'll be a link in the descriptive part of this tutorial, so you can get to me and I'm going to help you resize your pictures for you so that you can play easily. And in my YouTube channel already, I've made up a tutorial on how you can play the DV lottery step by step. Just go to the descriptive part of this tutorial. You'll see how you can play the lottery by yourself. So don't hesitate to like, comment and share my tutorial. I hope you enjoy these skills. It is World Digital, skilling oneself. We are bent on eradicating digital illiteracy by utilizing your smartphone or your laptop. So see you in my next tutorial, where I'm going to be teaching you how you will utilize just your smartphone and you'll come up with your beautiful pictures.